CDI is different from other post-secondary because it uses experienced instructors from the industry.
My instructors for travel and tourism have been fantastic.
Someone who has worked in the industry knows better how to set them up for success.
I know the employers who have hired our students are certainly pleased with the students' skills and knowledge and education once they enter the workplace.
I would definitely hire a student from CDI College again. They are dedicated individuals, they're knowledgeable, and so enthusiastic about starting out on their new careers.